Good morning.
Good morning.
You've testified before, but go ahead and state your name for the record and spell your last name, please.
My name is Elizabeth Bedolla. It's Bedolla.
Okay. And again, just for the sake of clarity, go ahead and state your relationship with Tania Wise.
Tania was my daughter.
Okay. And did you prepare a written victim impact statement?
That's correct.
Okay. I'm going to show you what has been marked as Court's Exhibit Number 1. You recognize this statement?
Yes.
Is that the statement that you prepared for the jury today?
Yes.
Okay. When you feel like you're ready, please go ahead and read that statement to the jury.
My name is Elizabeth Bedolla, and I am the mother of Tania E. Wise and the grandmother of her unborn son, Josiah Thomas Wise. I am here to speak about the loss of my Tania and Josiah and how their death has forever changed my life and my family's life. Tania was lovable, caring, a devoted mother. She had a beautiful soul and was always willing to help and take care of her family. She enjoyed being a mother more than anything in the world. She loved spending time with her son Jamar, playing with him, cheering for him in all his events, and making sure he always felt loved and supported. Tania was so excited about becoming a mother again. She always spoke about giving birth and how great of a mother she would be once more. She had so many dreams for Jamar and Josiah, dreams of raising them, guiding them, creating happy life together. Those dreams were stolen from her, from us, from the child who will never have a chance to grow up with his loving mother. Every memory with Tania was special. I clearly remember the last time we were together as a family. Her stepdad, her son, Tania, and I went to the beach. We laughed, we played, we had so much fun. It was one of the happiest days we had together, and I will cherish it forever. Another beautiful moment that I remember was her baby shower, surrounded by family, celebrating new life that we were waiting for to welcome. Those were the last 2 times we had with Tania. That were memories I will hold on in my heart for the rest of my life. The emotional impact of losing my Tania and Josiah is unbearable. I cannot sleep at night. When I do, the nightmares are horrific. Birthdays, holidays, and even simple dinners bring so much emptiness, loneliness, and pain because she's not there. I'm unable to function properly at work or in my daily life. I miss her so much, my baby girl. She was my baby girl, my only girl. And losing her has broken me in many ways I cannot explain. The grief is overwhelming. I live in constant pain. not only in my body, but also in my heart. A heart that never goes away. It never goes away. I'm angry. I'm angry because I don't have Tania and Josiah here with me to love and joy and share my life with every day. They should have been here. Instead, I'm left with grief, sadness, and memories. That anger is part of my pain, and it will never leave me. I still have problems accepting that she's gone. I catch myself thinking that she will be here with us tomorrow, and that I hear her voice or see her smile. But tomorrow comes, and she's still not there. That reality is crushing, and it's something that I struggle with for the rest of my life. Her son, Jamar, who was only 8 years old at the time of her mother's murder, misses his mom every single day. The sadness and the trauma that this has caused him is something no child should ever have to carry. Jamar struggled with the loss deeply, and it breaks my heart to see him growing up without his mother's love, guidance, and presence in his life. Our house was one full of laughter and energy, and it's now quiet. Tania was the life of our home, with her smile, her joy, and the way she played all around with Jamar. Now the light is gone, and our home feels dark and empty without her. The pain is not mine alone. Tania's stepfather, her son, brothers, grandparents, aunt, uncle, and cousins are all suffering as well. Many of us are battling depression, trauma, PTSD because of this tragedy. Our entire family has shattered, and the weight of the grief follows us every single day. The stress of losing Tania and Josiah has also affected my health. I have a heart condition. It has grown worse because of the grief and the stress I carry every day. This tragedy has taken serious toll on my body, broken. It has also broken my spirit. And it's not just me. It has also taken physical and emotional impact on our son, Jamar. I grapples daily with the loss of Tania, his mother. I wonder how the future will be. And I wonder how Jamar will grow up without his Tania. And how our family will find a way to live with this emptiness. Nothing feels certain anymore without her. The future we imagine is gone, and we're left trying to survive in a world that feels hopeless and broken. Tania has already missed so much, and she will continue to miss every important milestone in Jamar's life. She will not be there for his accomplishments, his graduation, even his wedding day one day. She will never get a chance to hold her grandchild. These are moments that should have been hers as a mother, but they have been stolen from her and from all of us. Nothing can bring Tania and Josiah back. The future we dreamed of, the milestones, the celebrations, the simple everyday moments have been stolen from us. I will never see my daughter raise her children. I will never see my daughter grow old. I will never see my daughter have a chance to be a mother. I would never see my daughter raise her children, and I would never get to hold my grandson. I lost is permanent, and it has changed me and my family forever. The death of my pain and devastating impact this crime has had on me and my family the most important, but most importantly, my grandson, who will now become into a life without a mother, is simply unfathomable. We will live with this grief for the rest of our life. What happened to my Tania and Josiah will affect me forever. And I don't know how to live without her. She was my baby girl, my only girl. I will carry this pain every single day of my life. Nothing will ever take away this grief, the anger and the emptiness that their loss has left me behind. In the end, 2 innocent lives have been stolen from us, and we will never fully recover from this loss.
Ma'am, I want to show you what has been marked as court exhibit, photo composite, court exhibit number 1. Are these 30 photographs of Tania that show her throughout her life?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. And do all these photos show Tania at various stages of her life?
Yes.
Okay. Your Honor, permission to publish?
Any objection to introducing the item and publishing it?
No, Your Honor.
Those items will be introduced into evidence and published. And you may step down.